Greetings from the world of print on demand, where innovation meets business, and where, with the correct tools and tactics, your mid-journey income can soar. We'll look at how AI programs and tools can increase your income by an astounding 200%. Now, let's get started and learn how to get the most out of your mid-trip revenue. A special stage in your print-on-demand journey is called Mid-Journey Print on Demand. It's the point at which you've advanced past the beginning level, but are still short of realizing your full potential. There are many chances for development and growth throughout this stage. By employing effective tactics, you can make substantial financial gains by utilizing your current knowledge and abilities. There are tons of business ideas in the print-on-demand sector. The options are unlimited, ranging from personalized mugs and stickers to bespoke t-shirts and hoodies. Selecting a business idea that satisfies both market demand and your passion is essential to success. There's a market for you whether you want to make original clothing designs or memorable sticker slogans. You may find a wealth of tools and information in the Shopify App Store that can assist you in expanding your print-on-demand company. Everything you need to improve sales and manage operations is available in the Shopify App Store, from marketing apps and analytics tools to design tools and mock-up generators. Explore the Shopify App Store right now to find the apps that can help you grow your company. Printful is another platform that's causing a stir in the print-on-demand market. Many print-on-demand business owners choose Printful because of its stellar customer service, dependable fulfillment, and superior products. Printful guarantees the best possible printing, packaging, and shipping for your products, whether you're selling t-shirts, hoodies, or home decor. Using AI tools can provide a substantial competitive advantage for your print-on-demand business in this era of artificial intelligence. AI tools may revolutionize every facet of your organization, from trend forecasting and design creation to consumer behavior analysis and marketing optimization. For example, Merch Informer provides a range of tools to assist you in identifying lucrative niches, designing eye-catching content, and optimizing your listings. Similar to this, our Midjourney prompt generator for t-shirts creates original and memorable prompts for your t-shirt designs using artificial intelligence. Maintaining an edge in the dynamic realm of print on demand necessitates ongoing education. Fortunately, there are lots of courses that you may take to improve your abilities and learn new things. These courses cover a wide range of topics, from investigating advanced tactics to learning the fundamentals of print on demand. There are other platforms available for print on demand, even though Shopify and Printful are great choices. For print on demand business owners, platforms such as Printify, Custom Catpod, and Selfie provide extensive capabilities and services. Every platform offers advantages and special features, so it's worth trying out a few to discover one best suits your company's requirements. Starting a career as a print-on-demand designer entails a number of steps. First and foremost, you need to develop your design abilities. This can be done via self-study, formal schooling, or online courses. It is essential to have knowledge of design programs such as Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. The next important step is to determine who your target market or niche is. Anything from pop culture references to designs with natural inspiration could be your specialty. You can begin designing your designs when you've honed your craft and determined your specialty. The next step is to select a platform for print on demand. Popular options include Printful, Printify, and Zazzle. You can choose which things to sell, upload your designs, and establish your own prices on these marketplaces. The platform takes care of the printing and shipping when a buyer buys a product featuring your design, and you get paid a royalty on every transaction. Lastly, it's critical to promote your goods. Social media, content marketing, or paid advertising could all be used for this. Your designs will be more likely to sell if they receive greater exposure. The process of printing on demand is really simple. It begins when a consumer places an order from your online store or the platform where you place your products for a product bearing your design. After that, the print-on-demand service receives the order and prints your design on the item. After that, the goods are packaged and sent straight to the buyer. You are not required to manage shipping or inventory on your own. Print-on-demand services handle all of this on your behalf. Every sale you make is rewarded with a royalty, which is the product's purchase price less the manufacturing and delivery expenses. With this method, you may sell tangible goods featuring your designs without having to deal with inventory management headaches or a big initial expenditure. Print on demand can be a profitable business. However, a number of variables affect profitability, such as the caliber of your designs, the level of demand for your goods, and your pricing policy. Print on demand has a number of benefits, one of which is its cheap initial cost. You can make your ideas with a lot of free or inexpensive materials, and you don't have to buy inventory in advance. This implies that there is little financial risk involved in launching a print-on-demand company. It's important to remember, though, that print-on-demand is a competitive industry. You must produce designs that are distinctive and appealing to your target audience if you want to succeed. To reach potential clients, you must also market your products well. Yes, print-on-demand can generate revenue. You earn a royalty when a customer buys a product that features your design. The pricing you set for your items, the quantity of products you sell, and the royalty rate the print-on-demand service offers are some of the variables that will determine how much money you can make from print-on-demand. It's crucial to remember that, despite its potential for profitability, print-on-demand is not a get-rich-quick plan. It takes time, work, and a calculated approach to marketing and design production. But if you take the proper strategy, print-on-demand might be a good way for you to monetize your creative abilities. One excellent way to get passive money is through print-on-demand. Your designs can continue to make money after you've produced and posted them, with little continuous work on your part. But it's crucial to remember that starting a profitable print-on-demand company involves a large upfront investment. This covers designing your layouts, organizing your products in your online store or product listings, and advertising them. Print-on-demand can start making money after these stages are finished with little continuous work. To guarantee ongoing sales, you might still need to invest effort in promoting your goods, changing your designs, and maintaining your listings. Print-on-demand earnings might differ significantly on a monthly basis. It relies on a variety of variables, such as how well-liked your designs are, how many things you sell, and the pricing you decide to charge for them. While some print-on-demand vendors earn several $1,000s a month, others only make a few hundred. It's also crucial to remember that it could take some time before print-on-demand generates a sizable income. Establishing a profitable print-on-demand business takes time, work, and a calculated approach to marketing and design. Print-on-demand seems to have a promising future. With more individuals turning to internet shopping and personalized goods, the business is predicted to keep expanding. Technological developments in printing are also anticipated to enhance the caliber and range of items offered for print-on-demand. Furthermore, the print-on-demand sector may be significantly impacted by the development of AI and machine learning. These technologies have the potential to produce more advanced design tools, increase printing process efficiency, and even inspire new designs. However, as more people launch their own print-on-demand companies, the market is also expected to get more competitive. You'll need to keep up with the newest trends, make constant improvements to your designs, and figure out efficient ways to reach your target market if you want to flourish in this rapidly changing business. In a classic dropshipping business, the retailer does not hold inventory. Instead, the manufacturer, another retailer, or a wholesaler receives client orders and shipment information, processes them, and sends the items straight to the customer. In the event of print-on-demand, the manufacturer is the print-on-demand provider. The print-on-demand service prints your design onto the product, packages it, and ships it straight to the consumer when they place an order for a product featuring your design. You are not required to manage shipping or inventory on your own. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, share this movie with other enthusiasts, and hit the like button if you found the exploration enjoyable. How come? Because there will be even more surprises, innovations, and insights into the constantly changing field of artificial intelligence in the upcoming chapter. Come along for the voyage as we explore the untold tales of technology on this exciting journey into the future. Until the next time, continue to explore and innovate.